Hi everybody, today we will be teaching how to make a video. So I just made a video from drawing Hunter Blue Mouse, he's my friend, so drawing a character for him. So this is the stuff and yeah, you can watch it on another video. So anyway, you have to put the song and put the video and put some letters so they can know what is this about. Yeah, and yeah, that's how you finish. I mean, it's not how you make a video, but okay. Now we just have to push that button and the video will be downloading. Okay, the downloading is finished and yeah, let's just do that. And now we just have to go to Google and go in your own accounts, do manage videos, and next we'll see a place called create. You push the button create and then it will see upload videos. You push that button and sorry, my brother won't shut up. Now we have to find no, not this one. We have to find the video that we just made. Nope. Where is it? I don't know where is it at all. Oh, found it. There we go. Now you just that. You have to write the name, like title, yeah. So, I draw a character for Hunter Blue Mask. And now it's cool. I actually have nothing wrong. So thumbnail, yeah, I actually have to do it at Canva, but I already made it, so yeah, this one. And now you have to do no, it's not made for kids, so everybody in the world can watch it, and show more. And then you will see tags. Write what is about it. Something like paint 3D and art Hunter Blue Mask and oops, changed. Okay. Mike's art and yeah, something like this, and so you can like type all the thing you need for the video, like stuff, teaching, teacher, and yeah, drawing, cool, awesome, and epic. Like, write the thing down. Something like cool. How and style. Category, there's all the stuff, and yeah, do how to and style, that is for like how to draw stuff, yeah, stuff. Next, yeah, you don't actually have to do this. Next, and the next. So here you just have to push public, okay? Do not push schedule, because you will make a date and it will be really annoying. So publish. Okay, copy the link so you could send it to people, and do close. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and you guys know how to make a video now. Bye.